Alright y'all, so before I even before I even start this video, I'm gonna show y'all how to swoop my edges because I don't like to swoop my edges and then do my makeup. So the edge control that I like to use to swoop my edges is Edge Booster. Yes ma'am. Let's get into these edges. Okay y'all, I finished the edges, so now I'm gonna beat my face and I'm gonna be right back. Okay, so the makeup is done and the edges are slick, hair is slick. Sorry if y'all hear any background noise. My family's in town, but I just want to talk about how ZSF, I know y'all seen this on my channel before, they sent me a wig. Yes, I said sent me a wig. Alright, so we're gonna unbox it or unbag it. Okay, so it just comes with a cute little silk bag. It is their headband wig. It's 24 inches, water wave, 180 density. Let me see. That's not too bad. That's what she looks like. I don't know, how many inches is this? 24 inches. No, that's 24. So I'm gonna wet it and I'm gonna put my Cantu curling cream on it, and after I get it wet and nice and defined, I'll be right back. Okay, so we're finished. We finished wetting and putting the Cantu curling cream on the hair. Looks really nice. All right, so now we finna put it on. I just want to say I'm so happy they sent me this wig. Dang. Alright, y'all, so I finally finished, you know, throwing the wig on, putting it on. I want to say headband was a smart idea. First I'm like, I'm not wearing it. It's either a closure or front or it's a nothing. But like, if you see me wearing a headband wig, mind your business. That's that on period. Like, sorry my background a little messy, but if you see me wearing a headband wig, mind your business. She's 24 inches and I've had 24 inches before, so I know. Yeah, she good. Oh my god, what is that on my elbow? Oh, that's powder. Setting powder. 24 inches. Yes, ma'am. Yeah. Shorty real cute, like, what? But this is like my favorite like hair texture, and I'm glad I just got like a taste for the hair texture right now. Now I know how good the water wave is. It's soft, no tangles. I think it said 180 or 150, whatever one it is. I think it's 180. I'm pretty sure it's 180. It feels really nice, good density. Oh yeah, it got clips in it. I just forgot to put the clips down, but for sure if I wear this wig, when I wear this wig, I'm gonna remember to put the clips down. But like, yes, Miss Mama, this is a water wave wig, headband wig, whatever you want to call it. It's a go. Like, yes, she's cute. Oh, and then also, if y'all need to make the wig tighter, because actually my hair was like, I don't know, my hair big, but I guess the band was bigger. I just ignored the Velcro straps and I tied it in the back because that worked better for me. So yeah, it comes with like 2 clips right here and a clip in the back. So baby, you can hook that mug down. I'm sorry I didn't show that, but it does. But yes, y'all, the hairband wig slay. Yes, ma'am. This is cute. This is cute. So thank you ZSF Hair for sending me this wig. I really appreciate it. I know we'll be working together in the future because like, what? This is cute. This is cute for real. This is really cute. All right, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Have a blessed day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe. We are so close to 4,000 watch hours. We need to 1,000 subscribers. Also, I think I'm at 1,095. I need to be at 1,100 subscribers. Subscribe. Thank you everybody who's been supporting me. I'm not gonna make this outro any more longer because my family is getting kind of loud. They're getting loud. So I'm gonna see y'all later. Have a blessed day. ZSF Hair. All right, y'all, and this guy on this other headband, it will look cute with. I got this from Nani Boutique a while ago. Hold on. All right, look at this cute little headband. Like, hold on. Oh, that's cute. I should have picked this as the, hold on. You wonder why I keep pulling it forward? I did not put the clips down. I told y'all that. I did not. Oh, I should have put this on as a headband. Honestly, I forgot about it. I almost was gonna be like, I don't even wear these headbands. I don't even need them. But like, what? ZSF. Ooh. Oh, wow, I had a moment. Okay. All right, y'all. Now I'm gone for real. I'm gonna see y'all later. Have a blessed day.